Something's off with one of your hens. She's quieter than usual, not eating much, maybe sitting by herself. And if you're anything like me when I first started, that little change has you worrying. Is she sick? Here's the good news. Chickens are resilient, and most problems can be solved quickly if you catch them early. In this video, we'll go through 10 clear signs your chicken might be sick, and what to do about each one, so you can keep your flock healthy, happy, and laying strong. Welcome to GreenProfitCultivate, where we help you raise healthier chickens, collect more eggs, and live sustainably. If you love learning how to grow more, waste less, and live green, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. One of the very first signs a chicken isn't feeling well is when she isolates herself. Healthy hens are curious and active. If you see one sitting alone, moving slowly, or losing interest in food and water, that's your first red flag. Chickens hide illness naturally, it's their survival instinct. So when they act off, pay attention. Here's what to do. Move her somewhere quiet where she can rest. Offer clean water with electrolytes and probiotics, and keep an eye on her droppings and appetite for 24 hours. Sometimes that little bit of TLC is all she needs to bounce back. Your hen's comb and wattles are her built-in health indicators. They should be bright red, the color of good blood flow and oxygen. If they turn pale or whitish, it can signal anemia, worms, dehydration, or even stress. Check for mites or lice. Make sure she's getting enough iron and clean water, and provide a high-protein, nutrient-balanced feed. Once her body recovers, that color will return to normal, and you'll literally see her health improve right on her face. If you hear wheezing, coughing, or see open-mouth breathing, you could be dealing with a respiratory infection. These often come from poor ventilation, dust, or damp bedding. First, isolate the sick bird, and improve airflow inside your coop. Remove damp bedding, and clean out dust. Give her warm water with probiotics and, if it persists, contact a poultry vet. Some infections need antibiotics. Good ventilation is your best prevention. Chickens handle cool air far better than stagnant, humid air. When a chicken stops eating or loses weight, something's definitely wrong. It might be internal parasites, crop problems, or infection. Feel her crop first, that small pouch on her chest. If it's hard, she might have an impacted crop. Offer soft foods like scrambled eggs or soaked pellets. Add a few drops of olive oil, and gently massage to loosen the blockage. If she's underweight, check for worms, and provide a boost of high-protein feed. Remember, appetite is one of the best health indicators you have. I know, it's not glamorous, but your chicken's droppings tell you a lot. Loose or discolored poop can mean stress, parasites, or bad feed. A single odd dropping is normal, but if you see watery, foamy, or bloody droppings repeatedly, act quickly. Add probiotics to their water, make sure their feed is fresh, and disinfect the coop area. Clean water and clean bedding are half the cure. And if it continues for more than a few days, isolate the affected hen for observation. If your hens are losing feathers outside of molting season, or they're constantly scratching and preening, you might be dealing with mites or lice. These tiny pests hide under feathers and come out at night to feed on blood. They cause irritation, anemia, and stress, all of which stop egg production. Check under the wings and around the vent area for tiny crawling specks or dark scabs. Treat your birds with a poultry-safe mite powder or diatomaceous earth, and clean the coop thoroughly. Repeat weekly until the problem disappears. Swollen eyes, bubbles around the nostrils, or a runny beak usually mean a respiratory infection or sinus issue. Isolate the bird right away to prevent spreading. Keep her warm and comfortable, and clean her face gently with a damp cloth. Some cases clear up with good care and herbal respiratory drops. Others might need antibiotics from a vet. Prevention comes down to airflow and hygiene. A dry, clean coop with good ventilation will stop 90% of these problems before they start. When a chicken limps or avoids putting weight on one leg, always check her feet. You might see a small black scab. That's bumblefoot, a bacterial infection that starts from a simple scratch. Clean the area with warm water and antiseptic. Apply wound spray and keep her on soft bedding while it heals. You can also wrap the foot lightly if she's picking at it. If the swelling is severe or she stops walking altogether, it's time to call a vet. Catching it early makes all the difference. Fewer eggs are one of the earliest signs your hens might not be feeling well. It could mean stress, poor nutrition, parasites, or early signs of illness. Before you panic, check the basics. Is the feed fresh? Do they have enough calcium and light? Are predators or changes in the co-op causing stress? Address those, and egg production often rebounds quickly. Finally, pay attention to behavior and sounds. A normally friendly hen that suddenly becomes aggressive, or a chatty one that goes silent, is telling you something's wrong. Observe carefully. Behavioral changes often appear before physical symptoms. A calm, observant chicken keeper catches problems long before they spread. The best cure for any chicken illness is prevention. Clean coops, balanced nutrition, good airflow, and daily observation. That's what keeps your flock healthy and thriving. If you'd like a simple checklist to help you track your hens' health, download my Chicken Health Checklist. It's free, and it covers everything we discussed today. And if you're ready to take your chicken keeping to the next level, grab my ebook, The Backyard Chicken Blueprint, From First Coop to Fresh Eggs. It's your complete guide to raising strong, productive hens and building a sustainable system that truly gives back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I post new videos every week to help you grow more, waste less, and live green. Thanks for watching Green Profit Cultivate. See you in the next video. And give your hens a little extra love today.